Sometimes on a Mac you may not get the desired output. Suppose you are typing python/nv. If you're not getting this output, then maybe you can try typing python3-nv. Now this is because Mac already comes with a pre-installed Python, but most of the times it is not going to be the latest version. You can use this syntax python3-v all the time, and if you want to use pip, then also you need to type pip3, and then you can say pip3 I want to install my ipython, mypy and black. This is also going to work, but typing python3 and pip3 all the while becomes slightly boring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up an alias. For setting up an alias, first thing that I want you to do is I want you to go to your home directory. You can go to your home directory by typing cd, and that's it. Let me clear up my terminal by typing Ctrl and L. Now if you type ls-al, that means I want to list all of my files and folders inside my current directory, and I also want to see some of my hidden files as well. So as you can see, it's a pretty long list, but the file that I'm interested is this one. It's called as .zshrc. That's the file where we will set up an alias. I want you to go ahead and open up that file inside your code editor. You can open up the same file inside Visual Studio Code by typing code followed by the name of the file. Don't forget to put the dot before. Now just press enter. If you're not able to open up this file from your terminal, then inside your Visual Studio Code, I want you to type Shift, Command and P. That will open up a new window, and I simply want you to type code, and you can see the pop-up shell command, install code command in the path. I want you to click that, and after clicking that, you can simply close and open up your terminal once again. And let me just zoom inside, and now you can say I want to open up my .zshrc file inside my code editor. Just hit enter. For now, just ignore all of the stuff which I have inside my zshrc. That's because I'm using a lot of fancy setup. The thing that I want you to add inside your zshrc are just these two lines. So what we are doing is we are just setting up an alias. That means whenever we are typing Python inside our terminal, at that time we actually mean to type python3. And the same thing goes with pip. Whenever we are typing pip, I want my system to invoke pip3 instead. So this is what our alias is going to do. Just save your zshrc file, again go back to your terminal. I again want you to close and open up your terminal one more time. Again, let me zoom inside it, and now this time if you're typing python-nv, it should give you the right output.